If you have uploaded your Gutenberg block folders to your live website and then you downloaded that again to your local, and when you're running npm start, you're getting an error of command not found, here's how you can solve that. So first, you want to make sure you have the latest version of Node installed. If you don't know how to do that, here's the command. You can view it right here. So you do that, and then as you can see, your Node modules folder is missing, so we have to install it again. So all you do is type npm install, wait a few seconds for that to go through, and now when you run npm start again, the command will run as it normally does. So that's how you would solve the command not found for npm start, and it usually happens when you have uploaded your files and then you download them again and the Node modules folder is missing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.